Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. And we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We're gonna use an application for it, or we're gonna use gestures. Let's get started by using the app, open SOUNDPEATS, and if you add your earbuds here, you will see the same menu as I have. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. Now we need to click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom, and right here we have ambient sound control. So to enable transparency mode, just tap on it, and we did it. To disable it, just swap to another mode, to ANC or normal, it's up to you. But as I said previous, we can use also gestures, and you need to use your left earbud. At the back side, at the top right here we have SOUNDPEATS logo, and this is touch area. So you need to press and hold at this touch area. Something like this one. I put it to my ear, and now I press and hold, and firstly we swap to ANC from normal mode, and then you press and hold again and you will swap to transparency mode, and here we go. And from transparency you swap to a normal mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.